Undocumented immigrants across the country are reacting to that ruling today. Protesters took to the streets of New Haven, angry and scared about what they say it could mean for them and their children. News 8's Josh Scheinblum has that story.
On the steps of the federal courthouse in downtown New Haven, a demonstration was held to voice opposition to a Supreme Court vote that could lead to the deportation of millions of undocumented immigrants.
It destroys families, it destroys lives.
The 4-4 tie among the justices upholds a lower court ruling that struck down protections implemented by President Barack Obama that shielded around 4 million undocumented immigrants from deportation.
We just grew up, we don't know what we're doing.
The News has 15-year-old Lupita Tepa of New Haven in tears. She tells us while she was born in the Elm City, her parents came to this country illegally from Mexico. She wants people to understand the potential repercussions of the court's vote.
They should be considerate enough for us that we have hope of an education or anything. We have hope of also making something out of ourselves.
So do I love this country? I don't know.
20-year-old Eric Cruz Lopez was also among those who turned out. He tells us he's an undocumented immigrant just like his parents. He says he moved to the U.S. from Mexico when he was only 7 years old.
There are some who are going to see this story, and they're going to say, we're talking to an adult who's knowingly breaking the law. His parents are knowingly breaking the law. What would you say to them?
Hundreds of years ago, this country was our country. This country was not actually a country. It was land for people to live on. It was land where the indigenous were inhabiting.
But if you take a look at the signs that many people are carrying, it becomes apparent there was another reason many also came out today.
The protesters had messages in reference to violence that's unfolded recently in southern Mexico, where teachers protesting national education reforms have clashed violently with police.
So I'm here as a teacher in solidarity with that to, really call out what's going on.
In New Haven, Josh Scheinblum, News 8.